Hi everyone, my favorite part. Flavor, rhythm, and culture make Barbados an exceptionally fantastic place for dining. We're lucky enough to be here today where our corporate team is actually sampling some menu items that our guests are going to see at Royalton Vessence Barbados upon opening. Here we can see a simple Caribbean lobster with mashed potatoes, some seasonal vegetables, and the ever popular Bajan fish cakes with a touch of avocado dressing on top. These are a couple of the items that our guests, I'm sure, are gonna have a great time. Don't tell anybody, but I think I'm just about to give it a shot. I'll admit, I'm a sucker for lobster, but this is absolutely outstanding. The texture, unbelievable. Let's give these Bajan fish cakes a try. I'm not sure which one I'm going to eat first. Avocado dressing is just melting in my mouth. Again, incredible texture and flavor. This is truly a delight and privilege to me to sample some of what our guests are going to experience in Barbados come June. Take care.